Today we are putting my wife on the spot. She practices every single day and she's been going for 4 years, a lesson once a week. And so no pressure, Liz. Don't compare yourselves to her out here. I'm just making her look good. Okay, so she's got credibility. We've established that. Now tell us about these flashcards.
Okay, so we actually purchased these for my daughter when she was taking lessons at the time, and it was to help her learn the notes. And it's actually a huge stack of flashcards. Here's kind of what the box looks like. So I had split them into a smaller, more manageable pile, but they're great. They're color coded, and so you'd have like, here's your half note. If you flipped it over, it would show you half note, count 1, 2. Or for the dynamics of the music, here's pianissimo, and it would say, what does it mean? Very soft. And one thing I really liked about the notes themselves is when you flipped it over, it would also show you the location on the piano. So not only would it tell you it's an F, but it would also show you visually this is where it is on the piano. So it helps kind of cement that into the brain. So I thought these were great.
Well, if you guys are out there wanting to take your music language to the next level, because typically you only associate flashcards with language skills, like you're practicing Spanish or French. Well, in this particular case, it is its own language. So this is a great way of that memorization, just repetition. Flashcards, the ones you have difficulty with, put those in a separate pile. The ones you just knock out of the ballpark, there's really no need to go through those again unless you want to refresh those maybe once a week.